To play for Chiefs, in fact, I've always said this. Anyway, I don't care. They like Chester scene them fit. Players come and goes there. Not is Africa Sahamba. Even before go figure Banya Baham. La Payana every 6 months it's a market. You understand? So they don't have time to accept such things. They are Paula Lutipris is a professional player. I know confident Agana. Have an extra task. Because we're a professional player, worst part to play for Kaizer Chiefs. We know my expectations. You understand? Because another player that will come there will take a chance. Angibi hard on him umchita. Niyaz good maunga dlali confident. Izokushaya umchita. But truly speaking, liyanti ngamlimaza. Mina sengikhulumela basic technical team mawebheka. Phela kuseyokuqala. Uyakhumbula nalela Mr. Welo. Mina I will understand as a player with ish. Sometimes when you lose a confident, but truly let's face a reality fact. Ukuthi when you lose, yabona if we are Mr. Lepore and then the game end up get draw or Kaizer Chiefs won. But now, confident penetration. Lao Kumbulu getting paid. They know Axis development is whereby they know that if this week we never do we go and ratify the training. Here my expectation. They're going to Derby now, Kaizer Chiefs. It is this thing after being eliminated to Confederation Cup. Nagunet Bank, Bebana this thing with Bazu winner Nabo, which is true. Mathematical, but how they play me nang issue. It declined for me. How they play. In each have the Webazalanga corner. Because there's no spark, especially into players. So the priest of Mr. De La Pola. Especially in Tabazos. So in the team as a team as a whole. I mean I'm not convinced in a team, even the players themselves. I think they need good coaches. We can say these two coaches, I'm coaches Ukaz this guy Cedric. But players themselves, they need to take responsibility because you can't play for Chiefs and then always point fingers to the coaches. Players themselves as well need to take charge, honestly.